We've been talking about different kinds of shadow boxes, from traditional shadow boxes to shadow boxes made from unusual things. I like bottles and vases, and I have a little collection of them, and I thought it would be fun to display them. And this cutlery drawer divider was a perfect shadow box to display my bottles. So something like this, it's good to play with it for a while and see how you like it. Put it in and move things around. Just oh, that's not going to work there. I don't really want green next to green, so I'm going to move that over, and I don't know, put the blue one here and green one there, and oh, let's see, I guess that'll have to go here, and this one here. Now I have green above blue. Maybe I'll move that around a little bit. Okay, I think I kind of like that, but I don't like this empty space up here. So I took my little big blue bottle and found my favorite color, purple. Just a little bit of natural, well, greenery, but it's purple in there. And I'm ready to glue down my bottles in my shadow box to display my glass bottles. Now, if you're like me and you like to change things around, you could use Elmer's glue to just secure it in, and then you would be able to take it out and remove it. But if you want to keep it on a permanent basis, you'll either want to use some kind of crazy glue, super glue, or you can get glue that's specifically designed to hold glass to things. So you have to decide how you're going to secure your bottles in your shadow box. And of course, this sticks out a little bit, so you can't put glass over it. But this is how I'm making a shadow box to display my bottle collection.